Hello everyone, Sam is here from creativetrading.system.com. I'm making this a small video about oil. So let's get started. This is the chart I made on the 17th June, right? That's a crude oil daily chart. According to my Elliott wave count, this is wave 1, 2 was coming down, and this is the reversal zone. Either the price move reverse from 61 or drop to 78. So there is a strong level on 78 as well. So I said maybe we're going to bounce from here. If not, we're going to drop to 67.96 at 78% and then bounce. And that's exactly what happened, that it came down all the way here. So at that point, I made another chart saying that this thing now is going to bounce from here. It's not going to go down more. It's 78%. So usually it goes back to 38 or 23% line, right? Now, according to my weekly chart and monthly chart, this thing needs to go up a lot, right? So I said, very good chance that we're going to bounce. And that's exactly what happened. As of today, the live chart is like, let me show you here. See that? So we already bounced from here to here. We are right here dealing with this number, 78.86. Now, let me show you the monthly chart. This is my monthly chart, right? So I see this whole thing as a correction. Now, either we are in a big correction or this is going to be an impulse wave. Now, this could be wave 1, 2, followed by big wave 3 to the upside, which I said this one, and that can only be possible if this war between, with Iran escalate, right? Big time, right? And for the long time. And then Strait of Hormuz gets closed or very difficult, right? So oil supply is going to be very tight, and then oil price can rise rapidly. If it's a correction, then I think that this could be A, B, and C. That would be A, B, C here, like A, B, C, then A, B, C, then A, B, C to the downside, so on and so forth. That is also a possibility. So this could be small, like A, B, C, D. That would be end of A, B, and C. Other way, we need to go to the upside. Weekly chart is, this is how it is. This, I see this one like 1 for A, 2 or B, and we're going to go up for C or 3, right? So we bounce from here, 78%. This is how it looks like. And this is my 4-hour chart. Now, break down a little bit more. So we are rising. And this thing on a 4-hour chart, it looks like this is a small wave. 1, 2, and wave 3 would probably end up here somewhere. Then we're going to drop wave 4 and wave 5. That would be wave 1 or A, and then drop. So right now we are going up, and maybe this is the target. I'm looking for another entry to go there. If I get one, I'll take it. But from here, as soon as the week started, in fact, from the previous week, let me show you. This whole thing gave me a very beautiful entry. This is my entry. This was my entry. I closed the trade already from here to here, and the trade is right there. You see that? So if you do the analysis and check the trade with the system systematically, this is what the result is, right? So this is why I, urge everyone that if you're not doing good or not profitable, you might want to try to learn, right? So learn this thing, learn the system. Gold video I made yesterday, how beautiful it is. It's going exactly as my analysis, right? So learn to do the analysis, Elliott wave, harmonic pattern, and both. The key thing is the Fibonacci 2. Fibonacci numbers, what the heck the Fibonacci is and how it works and how you should supposed to use it. Right. So this is what you learn. So if you're interested, go on my website and start from there. I have one-on-one coaching. I personally teach everything and make you master of this market. Right. So this is it for now. I just wanted to show you guys that gold also is going up and oil definitely going to the upside. All right. So this is it for now. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful, wonderful rest of the week.